You can install a toilet solo, but plan carefully and use the right aids so the job stays square and safe. Start by turning off the water and draining the tank and bowl. Then remove the old closet flange ring and clean the flange area so the new wax or rubber seal sits flat. Measure the flange height relative to the finished floor. It should be flush or slightly above by about 1/8 of an inch to avoid leaks. And if it is too low, set a flange extender or use an appropriate thicker seal. When lifting a 2-piece or heavy 1-piece, position the bowl directly over the flange with the horn aligned to the outlet. Then lower straight down, rocking gently to compress the seal evenly without sliding. Hand tighten closet bolts first so the base is snug, then use a wrench to alternate quarter turns on each side until the base is firm but not over-torqued, which can crack porcelain. Reconnect the water supply and allow the tank to fill while watching the base and supply connections for any slow seepage, and flush several times to seat the seal fully. If you are solo, use a temporary strapping technique by looping a ratchet strap over the tank and around the bowl to hold alignment while you secure bolts, or use a foam block wedged behind the bowl to prevent tipping. Common mistakes include setting the bowl and then sliding it to align the bolt holes, which can smear the seal and cause leaks, so always align before contacting the flange and lower straight down. Another issue is over-tightening the bolts to avoid wobble, which can crack the porcelain. If wobble remains, use flat shims at the base and seat the bolt nuts just snug, not wrench tight. A third concern is ignoring flange height and sealing with an undersized gasket, which leads to chronic leaks. Measure and use a flange extender or a thicker seal to correct the plane before installing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work by listing project types and local professionals. We also host an active discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot installations together.